Okay, let's take a look at our second example, 374 by 29. Now, we are still talking about how our place values affect our products. So I'm going to help us by drawing our place values, okay? Okay, if you remember from step 1, the first thing we do is we multiply our ones. We're going to stick with our 9 first, okay? The 9 is going to be multiplied by all the numbers up top. So it's kind of the same thing as saying 374 times 9. So the way we would do that is multiply our ones together first. 4 times 9 is 36. Keep our 6 in the ones and carry over our 3. 7 times 9 is, what is it? 63? Yep. But we have this 3, so we need to add it. 63 plus 3 is 66. Carry our 6. And finally, 3 times 9 is 27, and 27 plus 6 is 33. So if we multiplied 374 by 9, we would get 3,366. Well, let me just double check and make sure. Okay, yes, it's the same number. Okay, so now we are done with the 9s. We're going to cross out our 9 and the ones that we have carried so we don't use it again. Now we're going to focus on the 2. Well, our 2 is in the tens place value, so it's the same thing as saying 374 times 20. We've already discussed that a simple way of multiplying 374 by 20 is to multiply 374 by 2 and add a 0 at the end. Okay, so why don't I do that? Why don't I multiply 374 by 2 and add a 0 at the end? So 374 by 2, we would say 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 7 is 14. And 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7, with a 0 at the end. Okay, well, if our standard algorithm is correct, we should have the exact same thing here. Well, let's follow our steps and see if it's the same. Well, step 4 says to add a 0. I believe it's step 4. Step 5 is to multiply tens by 1s. 2 times 4 is 8. Then we multiply tens times tens. 2 times 7 is 14. Carry my 1. And 3 times 10, or hundreds times tens, which is 3 times 2, 6 plus the 1 is 7. Are my products the same? They are. Okay, so now I can add them together. 6, 14, 8, 10,846. Now, if you need to copy this down, be sure and push pause. Here is our final example. 103 times 47. I wanted to add one with a 0 because we tend to make little silly mistakes when we have a 0 in as one of our digits. So this time I'm not going to break it apart. I'm going to stick to the standard algorithm and just follow the steps. So step 1 is to begin with our ones place value. 3 times 7 is 21. So I bring my 1 down and carry my 2. Okay, step 2 says I'd take my ones place value and multiply it by my tens. Well, let's look. 7 times 0. What is 7 times 0, friends? We know that any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So 7 times 0 is 0, but I have carried this 2. So we need to remember to add it. Well, 0 plus 2 is 2. And finally, our ones place value times our hundreds. 7 times 1 is 7. Is it reasonable to think that 103 times 7 is 721? Yes, that's reasonable. Because I know that 7 times 100 is 700. So I'm really close. I'm done with my 7 and my 2. Now, step 4, add the 0. Because now we're about to multiply 40 times 103. So let's keep it simple. Step 5 is tens times ones. 4 times 3 is 12. Carry my 1. I have it up there. Now, tens times tens. 4 times 0. Once again, we know that when we multiply by 0, we get 0. So 4 times 0 is 0, but I have my 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. And then finally, tens times hundreds. 4 times 1 is 4. Is it reasonable to think that 40 times 100 is 4,000? Yes, it is. I know that when I multiply a number times 100, it is moving up 2 place values. So it started in the tens, it should end in the thousands. 1, so I'm going to add them together. 4, 8, 4. Press pause to copy it all down. So my final little note for today's lesson is to use your resources. All around my classroom, I have our multiples, which allows kids to remember their multiplication facts easier. If you have a hard time with your facts, go ahead and use a place value chart, use a multiplication chart. The more you use it, the more it's going to be put inside your brain. And it's better to practice with the correct answers than to practice with incorrect answers. So I encourage you to use your resources, and I might actually post a multiplication chart for you if you would like to use it. I'm sorry that my camera stopped working. Hopefully I can get it going for the rest of my videos.